Hello guys, I am Carly and this is Faye and we are now at Parian Monument. Come on, let's get a tour. So these statues that you are seeing in front are made of stainless steel and iron. If this test the historical event in Cebu City, where Magellan and Lapu-Lapu has a fatal fight on Mactan. The monument also portrays as well as the conversion of Raja Humabon and his followers to Christianity, local revolution against Spanish rule, Cebuano veneration Santo Niño, and beautification of first Filipino Saint Pedro Calungsod. Construction of the structure began in July 1997. Its inauguration was on December 8, 2000. Funding for the monument construction came from the late Senator Marcelo Cornan as well as private individuals and groups. So caretakers said they've opened the plaza for visitors and tourists. There is no